YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video, but before I get to that, I want to tell you something. So, you guys may remember the smashed brioche bag I got from T.J.MAXX. Well, they asked me to email them some pictures of the base and that they would get back to me about giving me a discount or whatever they were going to do, and they never got back to me, which is very annoying. But I went ahead and I ordered a couple more. I ordered one from Nordstrom and then one popped back up on T.J.MAXX. And so I'm waiting for that one, because if that one comes in good condition, I'll just return this one to T.J.MAXX, no problem. And the Nordstrom one, oh my gosh, guys, they took the bag, they bent it right here, and then they folded the base this way so it laid like a pancake flat. And then they shipped it in a shirt box that was about 2.5 inches tall. So as soon as I saw the box, I knew that the bag was ruined, but I went ahead and opened it, checked it out, used their free return label, and sent it on back. So that bag wasn't even on sale. That was $895 for them. That was down the drain because somebody packed it poorly, unless somebody else decides to buy it because they don't notice that it's a problem that the bag won't even stand up. Every time I went to open the bag went from kind of being vertical to going like this because the back immediately caved in where they had creased and bent it. But speaking of the brioche bag, guys, I've got one in this box. I told you I had one coming, and here it is. And this is not the black one, and I do think that this one is well padded, and it's in there with a fair amount of padding because I'm not hearing much going on when I shake the box. So you may say, what's in your box? And I say, well, let's just check it out. We'll check it out together. This is from the Longchamp outlet in San Marcos, Texas. Kevin helped me find this bag. And so once again, Kevin to the rescue. He figured out that I like this style and helped me get another color. Oh my gosh, guys, look at all the padding. This is absolutely fantastic. So I've got a little bit of tissue paper. Actually, I need tissue paper because since I've sold so much stuff lately, I have no tissue paper. I've had to start robbing my bags of their inner stuffing so that I can ship things padded and well packed to you. But right now, the only thing I might sell would be my Longchamp Pele. That's the one that looks like straw with the black top. This one, but I'm kind of on the fence about it because, I mean, look at it. It is really cute. It's just, I like the size down from this, and I'm torn because I also like the Marc Jacobs Mini, the tote bag, which is pretty comparable in size. So if I just use this, I might really enjoy it. And I've only used the Pele tote one time. This is one of the only, if not the only, small Le Pliage top handle tote that actually has D-rings in it, which is a big reason why I like it. And my Louis Vuitton Alma BB strap works awesome with this bag. And I think I have a couple other straps that work really well with it too, including chain straps, but I'm pretty sure that the leather strap that came with my extra small LGP Longchamp Le Pliage top handle tote, I'm pretty sure the strap that came with this works with this too. So I just got all kinds of options. What am I gonna do? You may say, what the heck is this lady doing? She just showed us a great big box, and I wanna know what's inside the box. And let me just tell you, I'm gonna pull it up here very, very slowly. It's a box in the box. So see, I'm showing you what I got. I'm showing you the box in the box. But honestly, now I'm starting to get impatient too. I think it's pretty cool that I got a box this time. Usually I get one of the bags. Like, for example, one of you is going to get this bag. This is what the lait pliage. Actually, I'm not even sure it's a lait pliage, but it's a nylon backpack by Longchamp in the E-cut pattern. This is one of the prizes that I'm going to be giving away to one of you lucky viewers. So if you haven't had a chance to enter, go watch my 3,000 subscriber giveaway video. I have limited it to the United States because of the cost of shipping, and I'm so sorry, guys. I may do an international giveaway at some point in the future, but right now I'm just not quite big enough to be able to do that financially and make it work. But if you are in the USA, go enter in the giveaway. But you got to watch the video so you can know how, okay? Back to the box. What's in my box? It's taped shut, so I can't access it. I'm really stuck. Not really. I've got my handy dandy ceramic knife that doesn't cut what you don't want cut. This is really quite special how this is packaged. I think I may have gotten one of these boxes once before, but it's not a common occurrence. Let's see what's in the little envelope. I have a receipt and a thank you note. Thank you, Erin, for always being loyal to Longchamp. Madeline. Now, Madeline helped Kevin out by packing this up for me. And Madeline, you did a fantastic job. Thank you so much. Kevin was actually on vacation last week, and so he had some lovely people at the store help him out to help me out. Isn't it nice when we can all get along? All right, here we go, guys. Can you tell what it is? Can you tell what color? I can see that it is in a color family through there. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is fantastic. I'm gonna have to pull down my red lait pliage extra small top handle because I use that bag all the time for sporting events. And I'm just curious if it is the same color red. You were just getting all kinds of eye candy. It is slightly more muted, but that might be just because this is the Matisse leather and this is lambskin. So the lambskin reflects the light because it's got a shinier surface. The Matisse leather, it's a blend of lamb and goat, and it's got a more matte finish. The lamb leather, unlike the Matisse leather, is made from one single hide, and I appreciate that. Although I have not found any issues with durability with the Matisse leather. It smells wonderful, and I love that bag. Oh my gosh. It is fantastic, guys. Fantastic. The front plate is immaculate. I just wiped a little bit of the smear off of it. You see how it gathers at the sides? It snaps closed. My pink one is hard to snap. My green one is not. I have to do this one with two hands like I do my green one. I think the key is just getting it matched up perfectly, and then it really doesn't require too much effort. Check this out though. The base is firm. So if I was doing this to my black one, it would just collapse, which is why it's going back, because it has no support since it was folded in half in the bag that it was shipped in. Everybody needs to use a ginormous box to ship. They would have my heart forever. Look how well that matches with my t-shirt. I'm getting ready to go to a soccer game, and my team's colors are blue and red, and so that's why I wanted this bag. Now, I might not carry this to a soccer game, especially on a rainy day like today is, but this is going to be fantastic for basketball season. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. It doesn't smell like leather, but that's okay. That must mean it's been around for a little bit. That leather smell tends to wear off over time. And you know what? I read something interesting recently, and it shocked me, and I don't know if this is true or not, but what I read was that the leather smell that we all love when we get into a new car and smell that wonderful smell, or when we get a new bag and we sniff it, we're like, oh my goodness, that smells like leather. Well, apparently that's from formaldehyde preserving the leather. I have a hard time believing that, but that's what I read. And you know, the internet, it always tells the truth. I don't know. We'll just have to do a little more research on that one before we claim it as fact, right? So this one still has the plastic right here on the back of the plate. I'll go ahead and remove that. I mean, that's not going to be bumping into stuff very much. I really like the design of how they put the leather in the middle here, because if it was a solid plate, it would get all scratched up. And I don't know. I mean, I know leather can get scratched up too, but I like the design. What can I say? So this bag, just like my other brioche bags, opens great big and wide when it unsnaps. I need to find an insert for this bag. I have asked Green Tag Inserts if they can help me out, and I may end up mailing one of these to her, which it would be hard for me to do. I mean, because I would worry they would lose it in the mail or they would mess it up. Even if I packed it in a box like what I just showed you, I would be worried it would get messed up. But I would be nervous to mail it. I mean, I really would, but I know that they would use FedEx and they would insure it, so it would probably be okay. And if it wasn't, Kevin could probably find me another one and insurance would pay for it. So there you go. This bag's a stunner. Let me give you a spin all the way around. Look at how they do those quilts. I don't even know how they do it. How do they make it so where the puffy part stays there and then there's nothing there, because there's no stitching on the outside that separates it? I think that this quilting is every bit as good as Chanel quilting. It's so unique and so different. And this bag is the perfect size. If you took the Saint Laurent small Lulu and the Saint Laurent medium Lulu and they had a baby, it would be this size, because it's like halfway in between the two. And I guess it wouldn't be this size when it was first born, because it would be teeny tiny, but when it grew up to be an adult, it would be this size. I'm just being a nut today. I better get out of here. I got to go drive an hour to watch a soccer game, but I did want to show you my beautiful red brioche bag all the way from San Marcos, Texas, courtesy of Kevin. Thank you, Kevin. I love it. Mwah! I would kiss it. If I wasn't worried, I would get lip gloss on it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring my notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It is the @ and then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. Easy peasy. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.